Hello, this is Simon from Scotland, and thank you for joining me on my Commission Accelerator case study, where I'm going to create a sales funnel, and I'm going to send traffic to the sales funnel. That's basically what I'm going to do. This information is for educational purposes only. And it's just really, I just wanted to record my efforts and record what I'm doing. I don't know why actually. I just thought it would be a good idea to record everything step by step, leaving no stone unturned. But it's really just to show you, as there's so many people struggling to make money online, and I thought it'd be a good idea to do a case study and showing you the actual cost involved as well, and that's very important, and it's a stumbling block for a lot of people. Any business scenario that you're in, it's going to cost money. So that's why I decided to do this case study, to actually show you everything that's actually involved in this. I'm going to show you the commissions, I'm going to show you the amount of money that I've spent so far. And again, this is for educational purposes. You might decide that you want to set up the sales funnel yourself, and that will be fine. But I can't guarantee any income, and I can't guarantee what your results are going to be. The results are going to be different anyway, depending on the traffic you're using and depending if you're using solo ads or not. The solo ad that you're using may be different from mine. And even if you were to use the same one, if you sent it out at a different time that I sent mine out, that's going to change the results as well. If you send a solo advert out on a Saturday night versus a Sunday morning, then you will get different results. Be upfront and transparent with you, and I'm going to explain how this works. So it's just a quick video just to explain how this is going to work. Now, so far, if you've watched any of the other videos for the Commission Accelerator program, you may have already joined the programs under me, you may not have, but yeah, either way, this is the stage where I am at the moment. We've signed up for Leadsleap, and that's costing me $27 a month. Now the commission for that is $13.50. So if, hypothetically speaking, you were to sign up under me and you were to set up this sales funnel and somebody joined under you, then you would get that commission back. You'd get half the money back, basically. The next expenditure was the prosperity marketing system, and that's $12 a month as well. Leads Lightning was a one-off payment, and that was $7. And Affiliate Mentor was $25, and Sparky AI was $50. So far this is how much I've spent. $12 for prosperity and $7 for Lead Lightning. The Affiliate Mentor was $25. My estimation was $150 actually, and Sparky AI is $50. So far we've spent $148. So we're just going to type that. I'll type it in here. Now this is a rather crude Excel document. I might tidy it up a bit later. This is just, as I said, it's a crude one, just to knock it up, just to give you an idea of how much I'm spending so far. I've spent $148. Now with Sparky AI, my intention was really just to set up a free account, but I got confused when I signed up for it, and to cut a long story short, I've ended up paying $50 for it, but I did get 100 leads from it, and that is a subscription service as well. Now the next part of the funnel is the traffic part, and that costs money as well. You don't have to add my lead gen secret to it straight away, because that's $30, but I do recommend that you sign up for all of the other ones, and there's another one I'm going to add to this as well. But if you sign up for say $5, $10, $15, $20, maybe $25 or $30 worth of traffic, then you can add my lead gen secret and some other traffic sources that we'll talk about later to that. Now I do hope to get this money back at some point, but we do have to spend the money to set everything up. What I'd be tempted to do is, I was thinking about, you can colour these, you can colour this, because this is a one-off payment as well. Actually, that $25 was actually a one-off payment, so let me just go in here and copy that. The Affiliate Mentor. The Affiliate Mentor and Leads Lightning was one-off payments, but Leadsleap, Prosperity and Sparky are subscription services, and that's what we're at the moment. We've spent $148, but hopefully we will be getting that money back when I start to get the funnel set up. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're going to set up the funnel in the next video. This is just a recap, just to show you what I've spent so far, because I want to be open and honest and transparent with you, and to illustrate to you that you do have to spend money online. You can trying to make money online without actually spending any money is actually, you're just making the job more difficult for yourself. You do have to put some money into it. Now, I'm not encouraging you to get into debt, and I'm not encouraging you to spend money that you don't have. I'm only doing this for educational purposes and just for my own, it's like an online journal, just to see end of maybe 3 or 4 months time when this sales funnel's running, I just want to see how much money it's actually going to eventually generate. We also need to work out how much money is going to cost every month. Once we've deducted the $148, when I got that money back, the funnel is actually going to cost money in terms of traffic. So what we have to do is we have to generate enough sales to pay for that and to have profit at the end of it. So that's really the objective for this sales, for this case study. The objective is to actually get into profit and to see how long it takes to get into profit as well. So that's what we're going to do in the next video. We're just going to set up the sales funnel, and then we'll get into the actual traffic side of things. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.